Eat these 8 fruits every day if you want to live to 100, maybe. Tired of feeling your age? What if I told you that adding just a few simple fruits to your daily diet could significantly boost your health and potentially add years to your life? Let's explore the delicious path to longevity. Longevity isn't just about winning the genetic lottery. It's a complex interplay of factors, including your genes, lifestyle choices, and the environment you live in. Fruits play a vital role in supporting overall health and well-being. They are nature's candy, packed with goodness that can help you thrive. While no single food guarantees a longer life, incorporating these fruits into your diet may increase your chances of living a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's dive in. Fruits are more than just a sweet treat. They're a powerful strategy for maintaining optimal health. Think of them as tiny nutritional powerhouses. These vibrant foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They are truly a gift from nature. By incorporating fruits into your daily routine, you're actively contributing to a healthier and more resilient body. It's a simple yet effective way to invest in your future well-being. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are nutritional superstars. They are small but mighty. These little gems are incredibly rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant colors. These antioxidants are key to fighting aging. Anthocyanins combat free radical damage, which can contribute to cellular aging and various health problems. Think of them as tiny warriors protecting your cells. Berries also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, a major contributor to many age-related diseases. Reducing inflammation is key to a long and healthy life. Studies have shown that berries can protect against age-related diseases like heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. They are truly a superfood. Plus, berries are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making them a guilt-free and satisfying snack. Enjoy them without any worries. The high fiber content in berries promotes healthy digestion and helps with weight management. A happy gut is a happy you. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. There's definitely some truth to this age-old wisdom. Apples are a good source of fiber, particularly pectin, a soluble fiber that offers numerous health benefits. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. Pectin helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. A healthy heart is crucial for longevity. Apples also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. Keep your blood sugar in check. They also contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Quercetin is a true health booster. Adding an apple to your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health and well-being. It's a win-win. Avocados are unique among fruits because they are high in healthy fats. Don't be afraid of these fats. They are good for you. These healthy fats are incredibly beneficial for heart health, helping to lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. A healthy heart is a happy heart. Avocados also support brain function, thanks to their healthy fats and other essential nutrients. Keep your mind sharp and focused. These creamy fruits aid in nutrient absorption, helping your body better utilize the vitamins and minerals from other foods you eat. Maximize your nutrient intake. Avocados are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Bananas are a convenient and readily available source of potassium, an essential mineral for overall health. They are the perfect on-the-go snack. Potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Keeping your blood pressure in check is essential for a long and healthy life. This essential mineral also supports muscle function, preventing cramps and promoting optimal performance. Keep your muscles strong and healthy. Bananas provide a quick and sustained source of energy, thanks to their natural sugars and fiber content. Fuel your body with natural goodness. The fiber in bananas promotes satiety and supports digestive health. Feel full and satisfied while supporting your gut health. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin C is known for its ability to boost the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Stay healthy and strong. These fruits also contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Flavonoids are powerful protectors of your health. Adding citrus fruits to your diet is a delicious way to boost your immune system and protect yourself from various health problems. Enjoy the zesty goodness. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are rich in resveratrol, a potent antioxidant. Resveratrol is a key ingredient for longevity. Resveratrol has been linked to heart health and longevity in numerous studies. It's a powerful protector of your cardiovascular system. This powerful antioxidant may also protect against age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Keep your mind sharp and healthy. Some studies suggest that resveratrol can improve cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused as you age. A healthy mind is a happy mind. Pomegranates are bursting with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins, which are incredibly beneficial for your health. These antioxidants are true powerhouses. These antioxidants help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Protect your heart with this delicious fruit. Pomegranates may also protect against certain cancers, thanks to their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranates can help reduce pain and stiffness associated with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions, reduce inflammation, and improve your quality of life. Some studies suggest that pomegranates may improve blood flow, which is essential for overall health and well-being. Improve your circulation and feel energized. Papaya contains papain, a powerful enzyme that aids in digestion. Papain is a natural digestive aid. This enzyme helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to digest food and absorb nutrients. Improve your digestion and nutrient absorption. Papaya can also help reduce bloating and discomfort after meals. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort. This tropical fruit is also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber, contributing to overall health and well-being. A true nutritional powerhouse. Adding papaya to your diet is a delicious way to support your digestive health and boost your overall well-being. Enjoy the tropical goodness. Incorporating these 8 fruits into your daily diet can provide essential nutrients for optimal health and potentially contribute to a longer, healthier life. Make fruits a part of your daily routine.